Today, I will teach my little brother math. We will go to Unit 1, Topic 4. In this topic, let's learn about counting on. This exercise we have to, this topic, all the exercise in here, we have to count. Khoan.
Yeah.
Let's do topic 4.
Topic 5.
Let's learn first.
Really?
Let's learn first. Khoan. Let's count to start 13 to 17. Let's do.
Yeah.
Khoan. 13, 14, 5, 15, 16, 17. And you can see 13 plus 4 equals 17 here. We will do the first exercise is count on to find answers in part Good practice. Let's do it. It's so easy. We have to count. Khoan, let's count. Khoan. 9 plus 3 equal. Let's count. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. Here. Oh, sorry. And our answer is 12. Here, this is our answers. Next, khoan. The next number. In here, let's count. In here, we don't have arrow like this. We have to count by our own idea. Let's do it. 11 plus 6 equal. Let's count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Our answer is 17. This is a small number, everyone. The last number is 17. We will pick the last number to the answer. So, our correct answer is 17. Next number is in 2 plus 15. We can switch it into 15 plus 2 like this. 15, let's count. Khoan. 15, 16, 17. Our answer is 17. Here. We go to the next part named independent practice. Let's do. Khoan. First exercise, we will circle the bigger number, then count on. Let's do. Let's circle the bigger number. 14 and 5 is. This is the number 14. Let's count on. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and the last 19. Our answer is 19. Next, let's do. 3 plus 16 is. Let's count. Oh, we have to squish it first. Like this. We can switch it into 16 plus 3. This is number 16. Let's count. Khoan. 16, 17, 18, and 19. This is another answer is 19. Next. Oh, yes, it's so easy. Let's count. It's 12 plus 11. Oh, I think it's more harder. Let's count. Let's start with 12. This is number 12. Let's start counting. 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, sorry. Let's count again. I count wrong. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 21, 22, 23. Our correct answer is 23. We go to the next exercise. We will show on the number line and show. Let's count.
Yeah.
10 plus 4 is, let's count. 10. This we don't have small 9 like this. And numbers. We have to think. Let's do it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Our answer is 14. Next, 13 plus 4 is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Our correct answer is 17. Next is 11 plus 6 is, let's count. 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Our correct answer is 17. Not have 18 here. Oh, this is our next exercise. In the next part, I will learn it with Quang in the next episode. Learning with Nhật Minh. Everyone, you can see in my channel Nhật Minh 206 or học tập cùng Nhật Minh, learning with Nhật Minh, everyone. Here. Now we're done exercise today, and bye everyone. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe my channel.